Hey, it's Gina with WTI. And if you're looking to free up some countertop space or just display some beautiful things on your wall, you're going to love this hexagon wall shelf from Synovana. I got this primarily to display my essential oil collection to make it easier to get to them and to get them off my countertop. And I'm so pleased with how well it looks. This has 3 tiers and 4 shelves. And I think the staggering of the shelves gives it a really nice, unique look. This is industrial style, so it has a black metal frame and wood shelves. Of course, the shelves can be used for multiple things. I even liked putting some of my towels on it and some candles, a plant. The sky is the limit on this. The kit comes with wall anchors and screws, and that gave me peace of mind to know that it was going to be able to handle the weight and be secure on my wall. I think this hexagon shape is so cute. I love it. But Synovana has other shapes and styles of shelves to choose from too. You're sure to find the one that is perfect for your style, and that's my point of view.